roses, what's up? Okay, so today I have a jewelry haul. If you don't know, I've been trying to step up my jewelry game, but I want some like good quality pieces, and I have a haul. I have a little cute haul from Mint&Lily. I did already unbox it, but I'm gonna unbox it. I'm too excited to leave stuff in the box, you know what I mean? I have to see it as soon as it arrives. But yeah, I'm okay. So I got 2 bracelets. Mint&Lily is basically like an online store with jewelry, affordable, good quality jewelry. I got 2 bracelets. I was like, what do I need? I was like, okay, I've already invested in necklaces. So I was like, let me start with bracelets because they have so many cute ones, and I got a custom one. You're gonna see I'm obsessed with it. But basically, yeah. So the box is really like simple, they're cute little sticker, and when you open it, I think it looks so pretty. Simple, nice. So they do come with in a dust bag. Okay, so Mint&Lily. Okay, then in the dust bag is another box. Okay, yes, this one is my favorite one I got. Why? Because it's customized just for me. Initially I seen this like on a like Tana, like maybe like 3 months ago. I was like, where can I get one like that? And when they reached out to me, Mint&Lily, I saw it and I was like, oh my goodness, I want it so bad. I think it's so beautiful. So it's a custom bracelet with my name on it. So yeah, it's a custom bracelet. I'm gonna put it on, but I'm just showing you a little close-up, my name. Okay, so it fits good. I have a big hand, so like I feel like my wrist is pretty like okay because I could fit in like those bracelets that go like this. It's the hand. I have a big hand. I'm literally so obsessed with it. Okay, so the first one I got is the Groovy Adjustable Chain Name Bracelet. If your name is longer, it still looks cute. The example they use is Lauren. I'm like, should I get a second one with my last name so I could stack them up? It's real 18 karat gold over brass. And they say that it never fades, rust, or tarnishes. So this is how mine looks on me. I'm literally obsessed. I think it's so cute. I've always been like somewhat obsessed with finding stuff with my name and customizing stuff. I feel like when I was younger, we would go to the store and get like cute little pens and there would never be my name. So now when I get a chance, I get it. And they're actually having a sale right now where it's like 55 Canadian, and if you're American it's cheaper. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next one. By the way, I did see people who like when they travel or like just store, they put in their little dust bag, and I think that's such a cute idea. I should do that. Okay, the next one. This one was so pretty. I wasn't gonna get 2 bracelets, but I was sold. Like as soon as I hit the bracelet area, I was like sold. Like they have so many nice ones. I feel like they have so many cute stuff even as gifts. I feel like my sisters would love a bracelet like this. They have okay, the reason why I say for gifts is the next one I got is, so it's a cross with my birthstone. But that's why I feel like it would be such a cute gift too. Like if your birthstone like is like, for instance, my mom is May, hers is like the green emerald. I feel like it would be such a cute, considerate gift, you know? It's like extra effort. They also sell, which I didn't know, little charms to put like you could buy separately. To put this one on, it actually opens over here, which honestly I think this makes it so much easier to put on yourself. Okay, the other one's obviously my favorite, but this one's just so pretty too. Like it's just so like pretty and elegant. And as soon as I saw this one, I knew I had to get it too. And I didn't notice, but it's actually a little stretchy. So this one is the Cross Charm Birthstone Bracelet. They do have all the birthstones. February, March, April, May. This one is also 18 karat gold plated over brass. Low-key, I think the blue like birthstone is so cute. But I'm like, whatever. I'll stay with my diamond. I did want to show like a little zoom in of what they look like off my wrist. They look cute. They look great. They look expensive. And I'm really obsessed with them, to be honest. By the way, so I don't think these ones look cute together stacked. But I am also trying to like learn how to stack cute bracelets. I just love that whole vibe. And I'm like, you know what? I need to step up my game. Like I got my earrings in. I have more holes at the bottom, but right now I kind of like this look. But yeah, right now I'm really focused on this area. I feel like this area and the ears kind of like, you know, and the necklace, all just jewelry. Jewelry just like elevates your look. And that's what I need. I need to elevate my look. So shout out to Mint&Lily for helping me in the right direction. I'm literally obsessed with both of them. And let me know, by the way, in the comments, guys, what you like at Mint&Lily, what I should get next. I'm thinking more bracelets, earrings, necklaces. I have no idea yet. Let me know if you like what I got. All the information and a link and a code, everything, all the information I have will be linked in the description. Yes, I hope you do like this jewelry haul. Thank you, Mint&Lily, for helping me step up my jewelry. And I'll see you next time. Bye.